In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to your TV with Google Chromecast. So let's get started. Now, first, you want to make sure your Chromecast is plugged into your TV's HDMI port and powered on. And then you want to just go ahead and switch your TV to the connected HDMI input using your remote. So, by the way, this is how Google Chromecast looks like. You just want to go ahead and connect it to your TV like that. Okay, now once that's done, you want to head to your App Store and you want to download the Google Home app from the App Store. It's free and it is required to set up the Chromecast. So open the app and log in with your Google account. So I already have it installed and I've already logged into my Google account. Now you want to make sure that your Chromecast and your iPad are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is important because otherwise your iPad won't be able to detect the Chromecast. Now on the screen, you want to, on the top right corner, you want to click on the plus icon and you want to click on device, and then you want to click on search for device. And well, just proceed with the given instructions till you are connected to the Chromecast. And just click next and well, next, allow once, continue. So anyways, in my case, I don't have the Chromecast device, but once you have the Chromecast device show up and you have selected it and it's connected to your iPad, you just want to go ahead to one of the supported apps like YouTube, Netflix, or Disney. And once you're there, you want to click on the cast icon. So in the case for YouTube, you can see here the cast icon looks something like this. You want to go ahead and click that, and then this particular screen where you have clicked the cast icon, so this particular video will be mirrored to your TV. Now, on the chance you want to mirror your entire iPad screen, you want to open Google Home and select your Chromecast. Well, I can't select this, so I can't really show it to you, but once you have selected your Chromecast, you want to choose mirror device, and then everything on your iPad screen will appear on your TV, whether it be apps, games, or photos, everything will be. Well, so yeah, connecting your iPad to a TV with Google Chromecast is actually super easy. Once you have set it up in Google Home app, you can cast videos or mirror your iPad instantly, and that's it. You're ready to enjoy your iPad on the biggest screen you have. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.